Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I fixed a Power Apps issue where the app was not opening and showing an error like error opening file. Even though the app was not opening normally, I found an alternative solution by exporting the app and importing it again. Let's get started. As you can see, I am currently on the Power Apps dashboard. Below you can see the list of Power Apps that I have created. You can see the first app, Power Apps FX Function Explorer. When I click on the edit icon, the app opens in edit mode. When I click on edit or play, it shows an error opening the app. I tried refreshing, logging out, and changing browsers, but nothing worked. So instead of rebuilding the app from scratch, I used an export and import workaround. Now export app package. Click on the three dots next to the app name. From the menu, select Export Package. Here, give the package a name. Here I named it Power Apps FX Demo App. Now below, in the Review Package Content section, click on the action icon in front of the app you want to export. Then select Create as New and click on the Save button. And finally, click on the Export button. Now, you can see it is taking a moment to create your package. Once the process is complete, the package will be downloaded as a zip file. If I go to my local storage downloads, you can see the Power Apps FX Demo App zip file. Once the zip file is downloaded, go back to the Power Apps homepage. In above ribbon, click on Import Canvas App and choose from Package. Now upload the exported zip file from local storage. It will take a little bit of time to upload. Now below, in the Review Package Content section, click on the action icon in front of the app. At this step, update the resource name as needed. Then click on the Save button and finally click on the Import button. It will take little time to import all resources. Once the import is done, I'll go back to the home page app section. You can see the new app hasn't appeared yet. Takes a few moments. If I refresh this page, you can now see the app has been added successfully. Now click Edit on this newly imported app. As you can see, the app opened successfully without any error. This confirms that the export and import method worked. Why this method works? Sometimes Power Apps files get corrupted or stuck due to environment or connection issues. Exporting and importing the app creates a fresh copy, which helps fix the issue without losing your work. After importing the app, always check data connections, environment variables, app permissions. Also test the app thoroughly before sharing it with users. And that's it for this video. If this solution helped you fix your Power Apps issue, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you face any other Power Apps problems. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.